Happy Sunday. Y'all know I love to eat some ice in the car. Hope everybody's doing well this morning. I pray that you have an amazing day. What are you all planning to do today? I am up. It is, what time is it? 8:25. I am headed to practicum. I am almost done with my master's in social work, and so you have to do what's called practicum hours. And so I get up every morning, evening, and I have to complete so many hours by each semester. So this morning, I probably do about 8 or 10 hours today. What's your Sunday looks like today? Again, I hope everybody is doing well. I just pray that the Lord continues to shine up on you, smile on you, and that you have an amazing day. I was reading some comments on another Ice Eaters post where people were critiquing the way that specific ones of us that eat ice, eat our ice. I'm the kind of person, I'm so sweet, but don't ever come for me and tell me how to eat ice on a page that I created. I just feel like it's so much judgment amongst supposed to be ice sisters. And I think that whatever people choose to do and however they choose to do it, it's certainly their right and that person's business. If you don't like the way somebody is eating ice, or you think that they're playing with their food or whatever, scroll on to the next page. You don't have to stay on that person's page, and you certainly can't tell someone what to do. I just think that's the craziest thing. If you can't support somebody, I think the best thing is to keep quiet. There are pages that I know that I have supported from day one. I liked, I subscribe, I never comment back, never subscribe to my channel. I don't get mad. I continue to support. If you don't like what somebody is doing, go to another's page. There's plenty of us out there eating ice.